Here we take a look at how to label members. Normally we can go to CAD and text. Guideline, we can say arrow. All right. And for example, we take this rafter. So now we name it rafter. And put in the dimension. Right, confirm. And now we could do this for every single component, but there's a much easier way. So when we go to CAD Text, down here we go to link text with component, and then we have to choose the component. So in this case, we take this rafter and then say, okay, it's from here to here. And now we don't just put in the text, so we use this placeholder. We go to component, and then here's the designation. So we say okay. And then we have the rafter. So, and now we can take the width. All right. And then X. Next one would be the height. All right. And then centimeter. Yeah, well, that's it. You can also click on, delete this first. So we could also click on the height, and then here you can say extend, and we can value the placeholder in centimeters, but then it will look like this, and it depends on how you like it. I like it the other way, so again, we take this one and value placeholder in original units. So, and then centimeters. All right. You can add as much placeholders as you want. So if this is the one you want to save, you go to modify and click on this diskette. And then you can save it to the work master data. So we name it designation plus dimension. All right. Okay. And now the next time we click on CAD and text, we have the choice to select it from here. So okay, take this one. And now we can select every component we want to, and it fills in the data automatically. So for example, we take this purlin. So there's it. Next one, we can say, okay, this one. All right. So if we want to change something in it, so for example, we go to this purlin, and then modify, we go to material list, and the designation shouldn't be purlin. So for example, it should be Eve's purlin. We can simply change it and it will automatically adjust it. If we want to add another one, so we can say, for example, the article number. Oh. So it would be this one, and then there is no. So if you want to print it, it will automatically delete it, but if you want to have this inside, so you can modify the purlin, go to material list, and then you search for it. So it's the article number 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. And then again it automatically will adjust. So that's it.